Okay, so today we're gonna start putting this engine back together. So we reached into our box of goodies, and the first thing we have is this oil galley plug. So we're gonna go ahead and take the old one out, and we're gonna put this one in. Okay, so that's the culprit that we're after. We're gonna take a screw, we're gonna drill into it, and we're gonna pull it out. And then we're gonna install the new one. Okay, so as you can see, we got a screw screwed into it. So now all you gotta do is just grab it, pull it out. And that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get the new one installed. So as you can see, here is the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and put some lube on that O-ring, and we're gonna get this installed. So as you can see, we got the new part installed. So let's dig back in our box of goodies and see what we have next. So our next item to install is our new cam. And as you can see, we went with Texas Speed and Performance. You know, I usually use the Sloppy Stage 2 or the Sloppy Stage 3 camshaft, but this time I wanted to go with something a little different. So we went with Texas Speed Cam. So, as you can see, it says we got the Chupacabra. Yes, we have the Chupacabra. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we got. So here's the cam card for our Chupacabra. And as you can see, it is a 214, 222, 550, 550 with a LSA of 108. Now, it's not as big as the Sloppy Stage 2 cam, but it still should give us that nice chop that everybody wants. So let's go ahead and get him out the package. So as you can see, there he is right there, Chupacabra. Look at him. And once again, 214, 222, 550, 550 with a 108 LSA. So as you can see, we have our cam installed. So let's go ahead and see what else we have in our bag of goodies. So as you can see, we have a brand new cam plate from ICT Billet. Part number 551269. So let's go ahead and get that installed. So as you can see, we got our cam retainer plate on and we have it torqued down. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our cam sprocket and chain on. So as you can see, we got our cam sprocket and chain installed. We got everything torqued down, and as you can see, our darts line up. So the next thing we're gonna install today is gonna be our oil pump. As you can see, we got a Melling oil pump, M295. It's like a stock pump. You know, a lot of people get high volume pumps or high pressure pumps. I don't do all that. All I do is I go with OEM. So this is our pump. So next we're going to install our oil pump. As you can see, we got a Melling pump. And we're going to go ahead and get it installed. Okay, so we got the oil pump installed and torqued down. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna finish it up. We're gonna get it off the stand so we can go ahead and put the rear cover on. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all see it. Y'all see it. So let's go ahead and get it off the stand and get that cover on. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our lifters and our head installed. So as you can see, we got some OEM GM lifter trays. And we also got some lifters from BTR. As you can see, they are LS7 lifters. They have been soaking for a couple days, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get them installed. As you can see, our head has been painted and it's already pre-assembled. So we're gonna go ahead and get these put in the engine.